Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn EDM music production full guide. Start by choosing a DAW and learning shortcuts, then focus on rhythm, chord progressions, and basic synthesis to make clear musical ideas that move the listener. Use templates and remix stems to practice arrangement and finishing tracks. Compare your work to reference tracks and steadily refine mixing, saturation, and dynamics to develop your signature sound. Start with simple oscillators and one filter to build a core patch, then add envelopes and modulation to create movement and character in the sound. Study common techniques like layering, detuning, and parallel processing to make your basses and leads cut through a mix. Experiment with effects, chains such as distortion, chorus, and reverb while keeping clarity in mind, and document useful patches for quick recall in later projects. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and hit like to keep this channel going and help others find these tips. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers for studio snacks and lunches, which save time between sessions and stop spills on gear. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Think in sections and move energy around the track by arranging elements to create peaks and breathers for the listener. Use automation on filters, volume, and effects to build tension and release, and employ sidechain compression for rhythmic clarity between kick and bass. Reference commercial tracks to match tonal balance, then work on panning, EQ subtraction, and gentle compression to keep each element distinct while preserving the groove and drive of the track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.